welcome to Zoom Review Show. So let's take a look at top recommendations for the week. Well, after a long wait, the second part of Ashram Season 3 is finally out on February 27 on Amazon Prime Video and MX Player. The Bobby Deol starrer web series is engaging, directed by Prakash Jha. The show is long and has some predictable twists as well. Yes, Santosh Mandal could have made the episode shorter by 10 to 15 minutes, but as far as the performances are concerned, Bobby Deol did full justice to the role of Baba Nirala. Chandan Roy Sanyal aced his performance in the show, and other supporting actors also did fine jobs. Amongst all, the star of Ashram Season 3 Part 2 has to be Aditi Pohankar, who has not only looked convincing in the role of Pammi, but also dominated all the cast members with her performance. She has indeed gotten into the skin of the character. Overall, Ashram Season 3 Part 2 is engaging, but has some loopholes as well. We at Zoom give the Bobby Deol starrer 3.5 out of 5 stars. So now moving on to Super Boys of Malegaon. Well, Super Boys of Malegaon is the story of Nasir Farooq and Shafiq set in Malegaon, a small town in Maharashtra. The film tells the journey of the passionate boys who make a low-budget superhero titled Malegaon Ke Supermen. The Reema Kagti directorial highlights the unique efforts of a group of local filmmakers in Malegaon who, despite limited resources, set out to create a superhero movie. The film blends the real-life challenges of these filmmakers with their passion for cinema, offering a window into the world of amateur filmmaking in a small town. It also provides a glimpse of the quirky, humorous and inventive ways these individuals use their limited resources to bring their dream project to life. Super Boys of Malegaon is inspired by the story of Nasir Sheikh and his friends. It travels from the 90s to 2000s, offering a heartwarming and entertaining look at the resilience and ingenuity of these aspiring filmmakers. Well, Zoom gives Super Boys of Malegaon a 4-star rating. Well, now moving on to Dabba Cartel. Dabba Cartel is a suburban drama about a desi drug syndicate gone wrong, which is also mixed up with darker goings-on of the pharma world. The crime drama features the stories of men and women who get pushed to the limit while wanting the best for themselves and their families. The Netflix series, which was developed by Shibani Akhtar, Vishnu Menon, Gaurav Kapoor and Akansha Seda, features a stellar cast with different captivating storylines that come together to one exciting finale. The cast is led by the commanding Shabana Azmi and has tales of women from all walks of life, from a former executive played by Jyotika to an ambitious maid played by Nimisha Sajayan. The 7-part series written by Vishnu Menon and Bhavna Kher is entertaining with some surprising reveals, leading to an explosive finale that will leave you wanting more. Well, Dabba Cartel makes for an engaging binge watch for the weekend. Well, Zoom gives Dabba Cartel 3.5-star rating. Well, now moving on to Crazy. Soham is a star performer and there is never a dull moment on the screen. The story, despite being flawed, is highly unpredictable. Girish deserves credit for giving something unique in terms of Soham Shah's performance. Undoubtedly the film's biggest strength, making every moment engaging. Despite flaws, the story remains refreshingly different, breaking away from Bollywood's usual thriller tropes. Girish Kohli brings a unique narrative style, taking risks in an industry oversaturated with formulaic plots. The visuals are decent for a mid-budget film, and the background score, though loud at times, keeps the tension alive. Songs like Goli Maar Bheje Mein and Abhimanyu linger in the mind long after the credits roll. The suspense fizzles out too soon, making the second half feel stretched. The ending is as promised crazy, but perhaps not in the best way. Well-intentioned, the moral takeaway feels shoehorned rather than seamlessly integrated into the narrative. Whether you should rush to the theaters for this or wait for an OTT release, that's up to you. For those skipping it, rest assured, you won't suffer from FOMO. Well, Zoom gives Crazy a 3-star rating. Well, in the end, now let's talk about Suits LA. This Suits spin-off set in Los Angeles has been eagerly awaited, and now it's here. It's a disappointing replica of the original. Creator Aaron Korsh tries very hard to replicate the same beat of the legal drama Suits and tries to create Harvey Specter 2.0. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. Arrow star Stephen Amell plays Ted Black, a former New York prosecutor who about to see his carefully reconstructed LA firm go to pieces. On top of that, he's dealing with personal issues stemming from the impending death of his father. The surrounding characters around Ted aren't funny interesting, and the only reason to keep tuning into the barely funny comedy is the promised reappearance of Gabriel Macht as Harvey. The original star is stopping by for a 3-episode guest arc that could briefly revive the series. While the show does have room to improve this season, it seems highly unlikely that it will return for another season beyond this. Well, Zoom gives Suits LA a 2-star rating. Well, that's it for today. I hope you must have selected your favorite pick of the week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.